Today we're making a square-based pyramid with A4 paper. We're using this 3D shape to make festival tents for the dolls. This video is for you if you want to get creative or you just want to get your maths homework done in minutes. You will need a ruler, pencil, glue and a set squares option, and of course A4 paper. First, I'm going to mark the middle of the paper horizontally and vertically. The easiest way to do that is to fold it, but you could also use a ruler and draw lines. Next, on the vertical line, I want to mark 3.5 centimeters away from the line in both directions. I'm doing this at the top and bottom of the page. I join those lines up to create a 7 centimeter column bang center in the middle of the paper. Now it's time to mark 3.5 centimeters away on the horizontal line in both directions. Join those lines up and you'll be left with a 7 centimeter square in the middle of your paper, aka the base to your square-based pyramid. Because the width of your A4 paper is already 21 centimeters across, we know that if we place a 7 centimeter square in the center, you have 7 centimeters to the sides. You can now join the bottom corner of the square to the center line, the center horizontal line that you folded or drew before to make a triangle. Now all you have to do is mark 7 centimeters from the edge of the square on the vertical line and join those dots to make the other triangles. To the net, I'm going to add some flaps. I'm going to use a square set and put them on the underside, but you could also draw them by hand, so using this is optional. Now it's time to cut. I recommend a sharp pencil and a ruler to press along the line to make folding easier. Now we can fold and stick. If you want to decorate your pyramid, it's best to do this beforehand. And there we go, a 3D square-based pyramid without using a compass.